Okay, we have 480 volts applied. We have control power on. First thing we're going to test the emergency stop. Kills the control power, which it does. We'll reset. Pump 1, we're going to try it in hand. Listen for the contactor to pull in. Contactor pulls in. Light comes on. Pump 2, same thing. Okay. Now we're going to run the system in auto. We put pump 1 and 2 in auto. You can keep filming this. Okay. I'm going to simulate the 4 pump switches going in sequence. And what happens? This is pump. Hold that a little bit. This is float switch 1. This is the cutoff switch.
Yeah, simulating the switches.
That's on. It rises up to the lead switch. And in this case, pump 1 comes on.
Oh yeah, there's pump 1.
When we come up to the next level, the lag switch, pump 2 comes on.
Pump 2's on.
If the level continues to rise, the high level switch comes on.
Yep, and there's our tank high level.
And lets us know that it is a high level condition. We'll go back through and
turn that off. You have to hit the reset though, right?
No.
No? Well, it still says tank high level.
Yeah, it will.
Okay.
Okay, and then it lowers on down to the lag pump. That turns off, nothing happens.
Yep.
Goes past the lead pump. That turns off, nothing happens. It gets to the bottom float, the cutoff float.
Yeah, it pulls them both off. Okay.
High level is just a notification.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
If for some reason pump 1 doesn't work, or any pump in any float in series, say pump 1 it doesn't ever see the first float switch rather, and it hits pump switch 2, the lead pump. We pull in the lead pump, as you can see on the lights there.
Yep.
And then we come up to the next float. It pauses a second. Turns on the next pump.
Yep.
We get a high level if it continues to rise.
Yep, there's the high level. Yeah, sequence error. Yep.
And you have a sequence error telling you that you have a float bad.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool.
Now we come back down and we satisfy the floats again as it lowers. We get down to the lead pump switch. Takes a second for the controller to think.
Yep, and it turns everything off. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that little controller.
Last thing to test is the illumination of the alarms for the differential pressure switches. So I'm just going to do both of them.
Doing a jumper, okay.
There's the one.
Yep, got that. There's the other one, got that. Alright.
That concludes our demonstration.
Alright, cool.